Dexcom G7 sensors need to be replaced every 10 days. If you can, avoid replacing your sensor before bed or any other time when you are not able to monitor your glucose levels for several hours after the change. Before you begin, make sure you have the supplies you will need. You need a new CGM sensor and an alcohol swab. From the home screen of your iLet, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner. Tap the CGM icon in the middle of the first row.
If your
sensor has not expired, you need to tap Stop Sensor.
Remove your old
CGM sensor by gently peeling the adhesive from your skin. Discard the old sensor. Tap Start Sensor. Following the prompts on the screen, insert your sensor. Tap Next when you're ready. Enter your sensor pairing code. Your sensor code can be found on the sensor applicator. Tap Submit to complete the process. Remember to use the overpatch provided with your sensor. The iLet's status bar will now show a searching symbol while it is pairing with the sensor. It can take up to 30 minutes for the transmitter to pair with the iLet. Once the sensor is paired, your iLet device will display the CGM icon in the status bar and the time remaining in the sensor warm-up period on the home screen. Use a fingerstick meter to check your blood glucose as needed until the warm-up period is complete. Remember, if you are using a smartphone to see your CGM glucose readings in addition to your iLet, you need to pair your new sensor with your phone as well.